name's Alex, and I'm going to show you how to download text into Photoshop. Now suppose you're making a drawing or a piece of art that has a specific look to it with a text format that you don't have. So if you go to a website and download a font, you can literally go right to your downloads right here, or if you have a Mac, it should show up in your downloads. And go to your type, and you just double click it. It usually comes in a folder like so. And then you can literally click the text like this, and all you have to do is install it into your computer.